especially in classics. I would still call this good transportation is what I call this. This vehicle was actually driven here from Ohio, traded in on a newer model, Crown Victoria. So 1989 Ford Crown Victoria, of course sedan, 5-liter underneath the hood, V8 powered, automatic transmission paired up with that, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the front chrome grille, headlight surrounds. It even has the hood ornament on it yet. And yes, you're going to come across imperfections on this car. I'm not going to lie. But if you're looking for one that's in decent shape, and we'll look around the bottom and kind of the outer rockers, wheel wells, show you this thing is not all rotted away like a lot of them that you see. Looking for one that is going to be able to drive down the road, provide some more miles of transportation. Here you go. Check out the still pictures so you can see the underside with the interior, the engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Rubber is good on this car. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see how much tread is left on them. So the tires are all good on it, ready to go. And yeah, you get a few of these little spots here, but again, you don't see anything rusted all the way through. Take a look at the rockers. Interior is a dark blue cloth that is also in presentable shape. And we'll check that out a little closer when we get around to the driver's side so you can see that. It's not all full of holes, rips, or tears. Vinyl top. You can see that also. Very presentable shape. Want a car you can get in, turn the key, and go. Here it is. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Be able to see still pictures of the trunk as well. Nice and tidy in there. Rear bumper, filler panel all there. And again, check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to where you need to be to see all the still pictures. Of course, Oxford white in color. Believed to be 146,000 miles on it. The odometer's at 46,837. And again, gentleman hopped in this car, drove it from Ohio, traded in a little newer Crown Victoria. Take a look at these. Lower rockers around the wheel wells, and again, you can see not full of holes. Little spot here. Then you got a few little ones like that, but guess what? Get some good use out of this car yet. So we decided, let's go ahead and offer it. Let somebody else get some use out of it. A couple things the tech did mention that I want to let you guys know about that's watching this may be interested. The rear two windows, whether the window motors, actuators, did not have luck with them going up and down. Front two windows work great. AC blows cold. Fuel gauge works. Said all of that was good. Could not get the stereo to power up either. So, gentleman that drove it here from Ohio had a portable speaker with him and just ran Bluetooth off of his phone, like so many people can do these days. So, stereos aren't quite as big a deal as they used to be. All right, let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Again, 5-liter underneath the hood. All right. There you can see the fuel gauge came up, so fuel gauge is working. Low fuel light went off. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. It starts right up every time I went to move this car. Sounds good. There's why we're assuming 146,849. You can see the odometer there. And the AC is on right now, and I can tell you it does blow cold. Clock works. Hey, take a look at the top of the dash. No cracks. Not all sun-baked, faded, anything like that. Looks good. Let's look at these seats a little closer. I do have pictures underneath the floor mat so you can see the carpeting and the still pictures. So yeah, I mean, you got a little wear on the seat. But overall, again, some good miles to give in this vehicle yet. Headliner looks good. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Door closes nicely. It's not smoking. Sounds like you'd expect. Crown Victoria LX. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood pop, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up today.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that 5-liter. Tried and true power plant from Ford. Sounds good too. It's smooth. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Say what you'd expect underneath there. Looking for a cruiser? There you go. 1989 Ford Crown Victoria Sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. And I forgot to mention earlier too, Carfax, no accidents indicated on this vehicle, FYI. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.